From your home page, navigate to the Seed Applications tool on the right hand side of your screen. Within the Seed Applications tool, you will see any seed plans you have made in previous years. To create a new seed plan, click Create at the bottom of your screen. You will then need to select the field you want to make a plan for. In today's example, we're going to make a plan for the winter wheat fields. If you click winter wheat, it will filter out any other crops. It is possible to select all the winter wheat fields by clicking this tick. If you want to select individual fields, you can do so by clicking the ticks next to the individual field names. Or you can click on the field maps. Once you have selected all the fields you would like to make a plan for, move to the Task tab. You will now need to name the task, populate the crop from the drop-down menu, and if you wish to do so, select the variety. It is worth noting that there are also advanced options. This is particularly important when making an oilseed rate plan. We would change the rate precision to 2 decimal points and the product total units to kilograms. In today's example, we will not amend anything as we are making a winter wheat seed plan. Once the Task tab has been filled in, then navigate to the Calculation tab. In the top table, you will see all the fields you have selected to make a plan for. The bottom half of the screen is the calculation basis. You can target either kilograms per hectare, seeds per metre squared, or plants per metre squared. Today, we are going to target seeds per metre squared. You will then have to fill in a target average in seeds per metre squared. For this example, we're going to target 350 seeds per metre squared. You'll need to put in your 1,000 grain weight. You can also amend your germination factor and overlap for your ins and outs. You'll notice there is another drop-down available. This gives you the capability to choose from field average or task average. Task average is a way of looking at your fields as a group or block and averaging the seed rate across the block. Field average will look at your fields individually and average the seed rate across the individual fields. Today, we are going to use task average. A total tonnage of seed will then be calculated for the field selected. A total can be set if you only have a certain amount of seed in stock. Once all fields are filled in, press Save. The plan will then appear under the relevant harvest year. If you select the plan and click Export, there are a few ways to send this plan to your drill. If you are using an iPad and drill using Frontier's MyFarm app, you can send the plan straight to your iPad by turning on this toggle and pressing Save. If you want to export the plan as an application file which you load onto a memory stick and plug into your screen in the cab, you can do so by picking the relevant file type and clicking Download Application File. Or if you're using a direct file transfer system, you can send the application file directly to the cab. A PDF version of the plan can also be downloaded, which can be handed to the operator. If you'd like to know more about the tool or would like help with your plans, you can get in touch by using the details on screen.